Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech how-tos in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to log in to Disney Plus on your PS5 in 2025. Whether you're a die-hard Marvel fan or just want to catch up on the latest Pixar hits, getting Disney Plus set up on your PS5 is easier than you think. This guide assumes you already have a Disney Plus subscription and a PS5 console, but don't worry if you're new. We've got you covered. First things first, power up your PS5 and make sure it's connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi connection is key to avoid any hiccups. Once you're on the PS5 home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store. Use your controller to search for Disney Plus. It should pop up quickly. Hit download and install the app if you haven't already. This only takes a minute or two. After installation, launch the Disney Plus app from your home screen. You'll see a welcome screen with options to sign in or create an account. Select Sign In, and you'll be prompted to enter your Disney Plus email and password. Type them in carefully. Double-check for any typos to prevent login errors. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, keep your phone handy to verify the code. Once logged in, you're all set. You can start browsing categories, searching for your favorite shows, or picking up where you left off. But hey, if you run into issues like the app crashing or login failures, try restarting your PS5, checking for system updates, or ensuring your Disney Plus account is active. Sometimes, clearing the app cache in the PS5 settings can work wonders. There you have it. That's how you get Disney Plus up and running on your PS5 in 2025. It's a seamless way to enjoy endless entertainment on the big screen. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming and tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.